Hello students, in this video we are going to solve practice set 39 question number 3 and question number 4. So let's solve question number 3. So question number 3 is Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000 rupees and started a business of selling sheets and towels from Solapur. Shweta's share of the capital was 30,000 rupees and Piyush 12,000. At the end of the year, they had made a profit of 24%. To what was Nachiket investment and what was his share of the प्रॉफिट. ओके. श्वेता, पियुष आणि नचिकेत तिघांनी इन्व्हेस्ट केलेला आहे 87 रुपीज आणि तिघांनी एक बिझनेस स्टार्ट केलेला आहे. तो बिझनेस आहे टॉवेल्स अँड शीटचा. तर श्वेताने एकूण शेअर केलेले आहे 30,000, पियुषने केलेले आहे 12,000. तर आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे नचिकेतने एकूण किती मनी इन्व्हेस्ट केलेली आहे आणि किती त्याला प्रॉफिट झालेला आहे ते आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. सो लेट्स सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल 3. So given information is, what information is given? So total investment is how much? 80,000 rupees. Okay, this is the total investment. Now Shweta's investment is investment is 30,000 rupees. Piyush investment is 12,000 rupees. Okay, total profit 24%. Now let's find the Nachiket investment. We don't know. Okay, and his profit. Nachiket profit we don't know. So let's find out. Suppose Nachiket investment is rupees X. आपण हे सपोज केलं. Okay, so let solve total investment equals to Nachiket Shweta's total investments equal to Shweta's plus Piyush and Nachiket investment. Okay, so total investment is how much? 80,000. It is 80,000. Shweta's investment is 30,000, so it is 30,000 plus Piyush investment is 12,000, so it is 12,000, and Nachiket's investment is what? X, so it is X. Okay, so if we arrange these, now let's transfer. First we have to add this, so it is 80,000 equals to 30 plus 12, so it is 42,000 X. Okay, it is plus X. So if we transfer this X this sides, now let's arrange. X equals to 80,000 minus 42,000. Okay, x equals to 80,000 minus 42,000. So therefore x equals to 80 minus 42 is 38,000 rupees. 38,000 rupees. So this is the investment of Nachiket. Nachiket investment. So therefore investment by Nachiket is rupees 38,000. Okay. Now let's find the Nachiket profits. Now Nachiket received how much profit? Nachiket received 24%. So all the received 24%, but the question is what is the profit of Nachiket? So Nachiket receives 24% profit of how much money? On his investment rupees. What is the investment of Nachiket? 38,000 rupees. Okay, so let's solve. Therefore Nachiket profit equals to 24 upon 100 using this formula multiplied by 38,000. Now this 20 and this 20 will be cancelled. So therefore 24 multiplied by 380. So if we multiply by these things, we get the answer is 9,120 rupees. So this is the profit of Nachiket. This is the profit of Nachiket and this is the investment of Nachiket. Hope you understand how to solve these types of questions. Now the next question is A and B shared a profit of 24,500 rupees in the proportion 3:7. Each of them gave 2% of his share of the profit to the soldiers welfare fund. So what was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? A and B ने शेअर केलेला प्रॉफिट ऑफ 24,500 रुपीज इन दी प्रोपोर्शन. ओके 3:5. त्यांना शेअर टोटल प्रॉफिट किती त्यांना 24,500 रुपीज आहे. तर त्यांचा रेशो काय 3:5 आहे. त्यांनी काय केलं आपलं जे प्रॉफिट आहे दोघांचं त्याच्यामधून 2% सोल्जर वेलफेअर फंडला दान केलं. तर आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे ती प्रत्येक ए आणि बीने एकूण किती रुपीज त्या वेलफेअरला डोनेट केले. ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. So the total profit 24,500 rupees share in the proportion 3:7. So suppose A got, it has A and B. So A got profit, what? This is the ratio of A and this is the ratio of B. So A got profit rupees 3x. Okay, suppose 3x. And then B got profit B got profit rupees 7x. So therefore we can make an equation like that: 3x plus 7x equals to, what is the profit? 24,500 rupees. So therefore 3x plus 7x is 10x equals to 24,500. Sorry, 10x equals to 24,500. Now x equals to 24,500 upon 10. So this zero will be cancelled. So x equals to 24, sorry, 2450. So this is the value of x. Okay, so now let's find out the profit of the A. So profit of A equals to 3x. Okay, the value of A is 3x. So therefore 3 multiplied by, this is the value of x. Now put the value in x. So it is 2450. Now if we multiplied this number, so we get the value 7350. So this is the profit of A. Okay, now let's find out the profit of B. So it is 7x. It is 7x. So 7x equals to 7 multiplied by 2450. If we multiply these things, so we get the value 17,150. This is also rupees and this is also rupees. Okay, so this is the profit. Now if each of them gave 2% of his share, तर ह्या प्राईजमधला त्यांनी 2% शेअर दिलेला आहे सोल्जर फंडला. तर एकेकाने त्या फंडला किती पैसे दिले ते आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. सो नाव A given fund, how much? 2% of his profit. So 2% of Aचा प्रॉफिट किती आहे त्यात? 7,000. So 2% of 7,350. So it means 2 upon 100 multiplied by 7,350. So this zero will be cancelled. Now it is 5 to the 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 5 4s are 20, 3 remain, and 5 7s are 35. So these two will be cancelled. So the answer is 147. It means A, therefore A given 2% of this amount is 147. त्यांनी 147 rupees त्या सोल्जर वेलफेअर फंडला डोनेट केले. ओके, नाव लेट्स फाइंड आउट द बी. सो बी गिवन the fund of his, so it is 2% of, what is the price of B? So it is 17,150. Now let's solve it. 2 upon 100 multiplied by 1,750. This zero will be cancelled. Okay, 5 again, it is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So it is 5 2s are 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and 2 remain. 5 4s are 20, 1 carry, and 5 3s are 15. These two, sorry, it is 2 5s are 10. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So B equals to what? 343. And B gave 343 rupees to the soldier welfare fund. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope you understand how to solve this types of question. Okay, now we will stop here. Thank you.